Can 3D printing make this VW Beetle display even better than it already is? Let's find out. Well, today I'm once again looking at how 3D design and printing can be an added bonus for Lego car displays. My Volkswagen Beetle Lego Creator Series is a great classic design of the Volkswagen Bug, and I love everything that they've done with it. It's a nice bright blue color, and then besides just the car, of course, they've got the roof rack, they've got a cooler here, and a surfboard. So these are really nice additions to it already, and it definitely makes it look like we are headed to the beach. So I started thinking, if we were to do some 3D printing, what could add to this already cool display and really bring it right into the beach scene and be right there at the sand and surf, the wind and the waves, and exploring how to bring some of those pieces into this display. Well, if we're headed to the beach, then definitely we need to build some sandcastles, right? So I looked for some sandcastles to make with 3D printing, and on Thingiverse I found a couple different castles, printed it in a dark brown to make it look like the sand, and that adds kind of a nice display that gives it a feature of being at the beach. Well, I needed some sort of way to include a location as well. I mean, California has the beach, and so this license plate worked well for a backdrop, but I wanted to raise it up, so I designed some more sandcastles that could be added and just hold the license plate up, and then that way there's a location for the beach scene, and we've got the sandcastles in front of the car as well as holding up the sign in the back. Well, what else can we do? Well, I began to look at pictures of old Volkswagen Beetles, and I noticed that a lot of times they had a large white wall on the tire. So I began thinking, could I actually design something for my Lego car that would add a white wall to the tire here, maybe change the look of the wheel a bit too. So I took some measurements of the tire and then modeled a white wall as well as a wheel cover. Let's see how this looks on the car as well. And here's the completed look of the big white walls on the side with the blue insert of the wheel. I like it. It gives it a very retro look. If you want a little bit less than that, then the other side could have a different look. This has just the regular white wheel, but just a little blue wheel cover put in it. Again, to kind of match the color of the car and give it a nice display, a modification of the Lego Beetle in a way, as well as just to make it look like it's headed for the beach. Well, what do you think? How did these 3D printed items go with the Volkswagen Beetle? We've done the wheel insert, a white wall on the tires, 2 sandcastles, and some sandcastles to hold up our license plate in the back. I think it really adds to this display. What do you think? Hey, if you like this video, please give us a like down below. Also, we'd love your support for the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.